I was very happy to find this surprise waiting for me at the post office because this box here is the new Nerf Nitro Stunt package. For those of you that don't know what this is, Nerf Nitro features epic stunt challenges with Nerf cars. A big thank you to Nerf for sending this my way. Now it's time to open this package up and check out the latest Nerf Nitro. So the first thing we have inside here is a stunt set. This is the barrel slam featuring a cool jump with 2 green barrels that the car will knock off. It appears that there are other stunt sets available such as Flame Fury and Spark Smash, which also look pretty cool. This stunt comes with one Nerf car, which is a sporty red car with acid green wheels and a Biohazard logo on the hood. Alright, so our second fun set inside this box is a 6 foam car pack that includes all different colors of these awesome vehicles. There's an orange, purple, blue, yellow, red, and green Nerf car that are all designed for maximum speed and distance. I have to say I'm loving the unique wheel colors on each car too, and we'll take a look at these up close when we open the pack. But of course you can't play Nerf Nitro without a gun to fire the cars, so here we have the AeroFury Ramp Rage playset. It looks like this pack comes with the gun, or technically launcher, for these cars, 2 more epic vehicles, and a green ramp for some raging mad jumps. Now taking a quick look at the back of the box gives you an idea of how the launcher sits flat on a surface and sends these foam cars flying. The last few things included in this stunt package from Nerf are some cups with different point scores on them and 2 wooden sticks, probably for making targets. So now that we've got everything out of the big package, it's time to open up these sets, starting with the Barrel Slam Stunt set. Here's what came inside the Barrel Slam set. There's an awesome red Biohazard car and the gray jump that the 2 neon green barrels sit on top of. Let's test it out by rolling the Nerf car and see if I can knock over these barrels. I guess I didn't give our vehicle enough horsepower, but let's push the button and see what happens. We are on to our next item, which is the 6 foam car pack featuring some special speedy sports cars. Let's take out a car here, starting with this awesome purple one. A cool detail on this model is the raised gray hood, giving it the big engine look, and the bright red 5-spoked wheels. Next, we've got a Bumblebee yellow vehicle with some sweet sky blue rims. Another thing I like about this one are the cool rally-style headlights on the front end. Car number 3 is a lime green beast with aggressive blue wheels. This model even has sporty blue striping and details on the back. Now, this red bullet car has to be my absolute favorite of these 6 vehicles. It features flames on the nose, engine details, and mismatched rims to give it a special look. For our 5th vehicle, we've got a blue sports car decked out with green lightning on the side and bright yellow highlighter wheels. The final car in this 6-pack is this orange race car styled model that has some blue rims with many wheel spokes. Here we've got our 7 cars so far and Barrel Slam Stunt Jump, but they aren't much fun until we open up this bad boy. Once again, this set with the launcher is called the AeroFury Ramp Rage playset, and this is what will make these cars fly. I did not notice this when I pulled the box out of the big package, but there's actually a Nerf Nitro first place trophy wedged inside. What a surprise! The trophy is not metal, but instead an edible cookie that looks really tasty and sadly is a little broken. Now it's time to open up this firearm so we can see the main event out of the box. Of course, we have to get our cars and stunt out of here too. The set is titled AeroFury Ramp Rage, so I'm assuming this green ramp is going to help these cars reach some raging height when we fire them. As for the cars, it came with 2 stealthy winter camouflage colored cars, the first one wearing a set of yellow highlighter wheels, and the second camo car is just as cool with a set of bright red rims.
It is now time
to use the launcher, but you do have to add batteries before it's ready to play. The instructions are simple. There's a lock for when the launcher is not being used, and the accelerator is what fires up the cars. All it takes is a press of the trigger to send them off. Clearly my filming set is not big enough for epic stunt jumps, but don't worry because I'm working on another new video with all of these Nerf Nitro accessories. So if you want to see all of these cars and stunt jumps in action, be sure to stay tuned here at HotDiecast Garage for another fun Nerf Nitro video. I want to say another big thank you to Nerf for sending this stunt package to me, and thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to leave a comment down below if you've played with any of the Nerf Nitro launchers or cars.